Michael Dolan from Dolan Property here in Marbella. Today I wish to talk to you about insurance that you take out on the property that you buy. It isn't obligatory to actually take out insurance, but if you're buying a property with a mortgage, the bank will insist that you take out insurance, and most likely most banks have their own insurance policies, and they're usually the most competitive to buy. There are three different types of insurances to consider. I think one of the most important things is to consider the third party liability insurance. Say, for instance, if you have a villa and a wall falls down onto your neighbour, that you have insurance to cover those problems. Or if you have a leak in your apartment which goes down to your neighbour below, then you need to have insurance to make sure that you cover it. All insurance claims need to be made within a 7-day period. The good thing about insurance here, as in pensions as well, is that it's controlled by the government, or they watch over it, so that you're guaranteed that any insurance claims that will be made, that they'll be paid up within a 3-month period. Otherwise, Spanish government have hefty fines for insurance companies and pension funds, as I mentioned before. What you need to decide is also whether you're choosing building cover or contents insurance. The important thing to consider is obviously the building cover. Contents insurance can obviously, if you're buying it as an investment, then the tenants can take out their own contents insurance. And what we'll find with most of the insurance companies is that they will request that you have the receipts for the purchases. If it's for jewelry, expensive TVs, or mobiles, or bicycles, you'll need to have a receipt, and you'll need to actually make that claim beforehand. Most insurance companies will need to know these before we take out the liability. What is a good thing to remember as well is that it might be worthwhile, if you don't speak Spanish, that you seek out a broker that speaks English, just for when you need to make claims. The claims generally will have to be in Spanish. There are some big companies that also offer English, but I would recommend you that you take it out with a broker who speaks English, who will help you fill in any claims and to make sure it's all done. These claims have to be made within the 7-day period, otherwise they won't be accepted. And you usually get paid within the 3-month period after the problem has occurred. And if you have any questions or you wish to discuss insurance, please don't hesitate to contact me here in my office, here in Marbella, or to call me on the office call phone number or my mobile. Thank you very much.